Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your iPhone is on iOS 13 or later and make a quick backup. This protects settings. Once done, open Settings and go to General. You'll see Fonts and Accessibility controls. Make a choice now. If you want system-wide readability changes, plan to use Accessibility and Display settings. If you want new font families for apps like Pages, prepare to install fonts via an installer app or profile. This gets you immediate control and prevents confusion. Now you execute the core steps. Open Settings, right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Display and Text Size to increase text size and toggle bold text. This alters most system interfaces and improves legibility. If you want new typefaces, download trusted TTF or OTT files and install them using a reputable font installer app or an installation profile. Once installed, visit Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Fonts to confirm the family names. Make sure to grant any profile or app permission. Otherwise, fonts won't appear in supported apps. Finish by applying the fonts. Open the app you use, choose the app's font menu, and pick the newly installed family. Many apps update immediately. Once done, reboot your iPhone to ensure system caches refresh. If fonts don't show, check Settings, right arrow General, right arrow VPN and Device Management for a blocked profile. Remove and reinstall the font profile from a trusted source. One key troubleshooting tip: if rendering looks wrong, remove the font profile and restart. Corrupted installs are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.